Here we are again. Pomodoro number 4 or something, I believe. Four. Yeah, 4. Um, so we have finished doing the necessary changes for strikes. 2 in a row. What happens when there is strike bonus? When there is making sure that there is no bonus when there is no strike. We have said that those values over here. Oh, early on I did this change without adding a test. Bad of me. But that's fine because, yeah, the score is always 0. Unlike this one over here. We could add a test. And maybe we should add a test. But it's always 0. It never calls the next one, anything like that. So that should be fine. Maybe we'll be adding a test later on. Okay, so we have added the whole strike stuff, yeah? Which means right now this will fail because everything is happening twice. Exactly, it fails. Okay, remove this, remove this. Okay. Ooh. No, there is something still with the strike on the 10th. It has forgotten to add the last two. Why? Oh, same way as before. Let's gonna start with simplest code, and if need be, we can change that later. I'm gonna do it from here just because early on that failed, and that it's okay. Awesome. Look at that. Now we have removed the knowledge about how to calculate itself. It has been moved out of this score into the friends. The friends know how to calculate themselves. They know how who to call, and who to call knows what information to return. So we're seeing a couple of things over here. First, index map with index is no longer needed. Yeah, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need that at all. So what we need over here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do because my fingers are not in the right place. So we can remove this. Can remove that. We don't need the index. We can just, this becomes frame score. And probably we can even go a bit further than that. Let's gonna see why is this failing, because okay, it's a return. Remove. And there. No. Delete. Okay. Let's gonna let it to the stuff. This language is not needed any longer. And I believe you can do a sum. Oh no, you cannot do a sum. Which is pity. Can you? No. the frame I believe that will work. Hey, it works. So I think the important thing that we have done over here is move the knowledge of how to calculate the score from the bowling game to each frame per se. Is it the right thing? Maybe it's not. Maybe it doesn't make a. I mean, it's bowling game, so it's a simple exercise. It doesn't represent real. Unless you are doing the whole bowling game, yeah. It doesn't represent the whole thing, but maybe this the right thing to do. Definitely has kind of reads slightly. I think it reads slightly easier, yeah. Other than the fact that the way that can I do this? I don't think I could because yeah. I could do a map to int, and then you can use sum to int, and then do sum over here. Maybe that is better. It's with the fact that they took an important decision in how they deal with all this stuff a long time ago. Sorry for playing with the green screen. I think it's all this related to the fact that they are using type erasure. This on CSAT will look so much better without having to have this map to int and whatnot. It's far more intelligent. Okay. So this is so much easier. Yeah, to do what we had before. We are going through each frame, we are getting the score, which is an integer, and we are summing them all together. I have hidden away the fact that there are strikes and spares. The frames themselves care about I'm a frame. I'm a strike. Am I a frame? Furthermore, okay, let's gonna do a couple of things in a second. So, which is a lot what happens with, well, at least what I have seen happening with design patterns. Say you're hiding away stuff. It's set more all over the place. At the moment, it is the kind of the logic, yeah. It's separated into multiple places. The important one is this one over here, which is still much easier to read than what we had before. But we can deal with this in a second. I think there is a better way of doing that. The important part is that simple score doesn't exist anymore over here. First roll value doesn't exist anymore. So what happens if instead of first roll value, I just say first roll? Everything should still be passing, yeah? Everything is still passing. Probably this one we need to have the same. And everything, all my tests, the big test should be passing. Awesome. Which means, well, first order value, is it being used anywhere? Alt F7. On the test. Another test. Well, if it's only being used on test, gone, and this one here, gone, which means that this one can go. This one can go, and now this one can go. Oops. All tests, but more importantly, all tests are passing. Fantastic. Ooh, what is this strike? Where is this strike being used? Let's gonna find all references of this strike. Okay, it is being used within a standard frame to do stuff. Calculate the strike bonus, to check if it's full, the score, the spare, and on the test themselves. It is not being used anywhere else. Same with, if we look for a spare, I should put them all together. Undo. Just gonna look all the. It's being used within the frame itself and within the test. Nowhere else. If that's the case, well, is a strike can go out of the interface. Which means that this override disappears. The is a strike override disappears. And because it's being used internally, nowhere else. Actually, are we checking it over here? No, we are not using. We are using it over here. But is this That's gonna be on F7. Is that the alt? Alt? Oh, I have done something strange. It's only being used on the test. If it's only being used on a test, again, what's the point? Just delete the test? Gone. Which means its spell is not being used anymore. There, over there. And its strike is gonna be the same thing, yeah? It's been only on the test itself. Gone. Okay, I could have them that bigger, but that's fine. Gone. My main code is still running. Should still be running. We have removed his strike and his spell from here. Fantastic. Let's gonna look into that simplest code. Where is this being used? So there is a bonus frame has simple score as part of the calculated strike bonus. And on the test, standard frame doesn't even have a test for it because it is not being exposed anywhere here. Let's gonna look for a second on this test over here. Why is it doing this? Do I care? Why am I calculating this over here? It makes no sense in terms of the, because what I care about is that this is being added over here. Yeah. Ooh. That means I can actually completely remove simple score. Well, completely remove. Let's gonna remove it from the interface, yeah? Which means it disappears from here and it disappears from here. It's not part of the interface anymore. Does it make any difference? Alt is passing. Furthermore, can I just do this? Let's gonna go in here. Let's gonna cut this. Let's gonna paste it over here. Remove this one. That. Oh. Okay. Let's cut over there. This one actually is calculate strike bonus. We were missing some tests around this one, yeah? Now we have the first one, the first one we were missing. Out of the way. Again, this still could be part of the maybe of default over here, but don't care. Right now, I completely do not care. Awesome. There is this thing. I have the idea. I'm pretty sure this works on C#, and I'm not sure about this one. But let's gonna give it a try. So this over here. Okay, it doesn't work on Java. Unless I can change the value somehow. Oh no, it's because it's of type frame. Yeah, so it has to be there. Okay. No, it's because this is not the actual object. This is an interface. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Just gonna get this. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's the lines anywhere. Just gonna do them from here. Just to get all three of them at the same time. Fantastic. We can remove this one, which is not needed any longer. Anything that needs to be removed from here? No. Anything that needs to be removed from here? No. Can we do still a bit more around this? I think we can. Maybe we will. Because first, maybe we should be using optionals over here rather than checking for null statements. Checking for null statements over here. Oh, this looks awful. I mean, an optional will still give you the same kind of the ternary operator, yeah, but it's with the get or else. So maybe it will be similar. That's fine. We could do that. Let's gonna think very quickly about this one over here. This one is right now it looks complicated to me. It is doing too much stuff that doesn't need to be done. Or the way that it's doing it is just complicated. Yeah, we added a few lines over here because of the way that this works. Let's gonna say, can we do refactoring? If I try to do refactoring, let's gonna extract the method, yeah? Get get uh, I want to modify. Okay. What are you doing? uh, Stack method. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I have to do it. Sorry, it's gonna have to do with the fact that I'm using Beam. But that's fine. That's fine. We can actually, rather than doing like that, let's gonna see if it works like this. Make sure that we're insert mode. What I have done. Okay. Insert mode. Select. Yeah, still getting confused. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, just gonna do it manually. Frame, and then we're gonna have over here frame, frame. So we need to pass the pins. A small thing. I'm not gonna have the factory class or anything like that because that doesn't make any sense at this point in time. Yeah. This itself is this is my factoring method. Which in fact that means that actually can change the name. No, what I have done. See if I fix for the name. Yeah. That the name is gonna be create. Awesome. And all of this will still be passing, yeah? Yes, I have uncomplicated a bit things over here. The fact that it's a bonus frame on a standard frame gets removed. But there are still things that, boys, too many ifs over here. Too much. Shall I do something with it? Shall I do something with it? I dislike this one over here. It's been calculated multiple times. Ooh, awesome. That means that actually I can extract it, yeah? Let's not put it here. So frame previous frame is equal to get So that means that I can use this over here. Ooh, Jorge. Let's gonna remove this. There's a better way of doing it, but my knowledge of the Bing keybind is still lacking. No, what I'm doing, this is not the one, this one. Okay. So, that means that over here, that becomes previous frame, and in fact, this one is there, what happens? I want to get a get or else. I wonder if it's there a get, if there is a get or else. No. Yeah. Okay. Well, maybe we can deal with that a bit later. So that has simplified things a lot. Is there a last? Because that what I'm doing over there is just getting the last one, yeah? No, that's lasting this off. Okay. Do I stop over here? Not only for this pomodoro, but for this series. There is definitely more work that I can do around roll over here. Maybe adding my own collection is not a stupid idea. Maybe moving away from this will be the right thing to do. I mean, the other option, can I do thing dot get, no, fine, so let's find first, there is no last, no. That should be much easier. That will be much easier on with LinkQ on SysApp. I don't know. Maybe there's a surprise. Maybe there is not. I will decide in another time. We are gonna be done for this Pomodoro. Maybe for this series. Still bothers me a bit. Still bothers me a bit. But no, okay, no, this actually makes completely sense over here. Again, this we could be using a optional rather than nulls. Same over here. That changes as well this one over here, but okay, I think I'm gonna leave it for this exercise for now here. Thank you very much for this small journey with me. We'll see you on whatever is next. Enjoy.